Hey everybody, today we are going to learn Marianne. And this is a duet, but this part right now is just the first half of the song. This is just going to be your part for right now. So let's go ahead and let's go through and say the note names, and then we'll go through and count, and then we'll play. Okay, ready? And this is in 4/4 time. Half notes get 2 counts, quarter notes get 1. And then if you look over here, we have ties. So we play the first note and hold it for the counts of the second note. So we got a tie here, 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 and here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, say the names. B, D, G, B, B, A, C. A, C, C, F sharp, A, G, B, 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 D, D, G, B, 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 A, C, 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 F sharp, A, G, G. Now, I don't know if those were the right notes that I was singing, but that is the tune. Okay, so now let's count it out. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, practice that some more with me. Just rewind the video and play it again. See you on the next one.